What's up, everybody? I know last time we did the motor on that transfer case, I had to wait till payday and get some antifreeze for it. I went to go drive it and, well, there's a hole in the radiator. So, figured while I wait for that, I got parts for other stuff to work on. I'm gonna work on the tow truck. I think I replaced the master cylinder. Now I gotta do the booster because there's still something wrong with it. So we got the little IDI started up. So I got some heat. I don't really need it. It's actually 30 degrees out today. It's really nice. But it's got all my tools, so it kind of goes where I go out here. So we're gonna try to take that off and go from there. Maybe something will work afterward. I don't know. So we gotta get up in here, disconnect that up there. It should just be a pin. I'll show you what I can. Trying to hold the phone's a little bit of a pain in the ass, but we'll see what we can manage. It's a 14 millimeter, depending on 9/16, depending on how you want to go about it. And my ratchet wrench. I just replaced this master cylinder in it not long ago, and I still, no matter what I do, don't have any brake pressure. So I figured the brake booster was the next easiest thing to try. I already got it here, so why not? I'm sure there's a right and a wrong way to do this, but I don't really care. And my ratchet wrench is not working. If you look back here on the booster, it's actually like rusted out. It ain't worth a shit. I'll record what I can. I gotta go to work tonight, so whatever I don't get done, I guess it'll just be another video. Now look at that rusty shit. It's just like falling apart. The inside here is even worse. Not even sure. Maybe that pin's not adjustable. It's weird. It'll gain pressure. It'll gain a little bit of pressure when the truck is off. But there's so much gunk in here that I think it's going to be easy just to replace it. And from the looks of it, the rest of the work is going to be done inside. That's going to be real fun. Not really. Get out of here, little kitty. We got tons of other projects if I don't know if this gets any kind of attention to actually make it worth making videos. I just pulled the radiator out of there for the Bronco, just in case that's what I need and it wasn't a clamp. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna record this and get this out at the same time. Right up here, there's 4 bolts, and then there's a pin that hooks up here on the side of the brake. So I gotta try to get my fat hands in there and pull it out. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to record that part. I'm not even sure where to set the phone to record it. Hold on a sec. Okay, I couldn't hold the phone, but I was able to get in there with just a normal socket and deep well. It was a 14, and then up there on the brake pedal there is this. It goes around here. Just pop this clip and a washer out, and then it should be loose. And of course I'm getting help. What's up, old man? Now to get this to just come off there, which, I don't know, it should be easy. It should just slide right out. I'll set the tripod part up here quick. See what it does. There we go. Yeah, that is some bad shit. Looks like solid. Looks like it still holds pressure. So, it's out. And from the looks of it, it's not happy. Might need that. I'll go get the other brake booster, I guess, and whether this one's good or not, I already got the brake booster for it, so I may as well replace it at this point. I will be right back. Well, there's the new one. There's the old one. And looks like we got the right one. I don't see a whole lot of difference, other than this one's shiny and looks better yet. So I guess I'll pop it in and go from there. Maybe we'll be able to get this done before I go to work. I'm not sure what this is. I'm assuming it could be for an adjustment. I've never had to adjust them, so I don't know. Looks like it might have to come out a little bit if I match it up with that one. I guess we'll see. It's not hard to take off the master, just to throw in, just to loosen that up and redo it if we have to. It looks pretty much the same, so I'm not going to worry about it. And we're in. What a good feeling. Well, gotta pause it again while I go and put them back force nuts on quick. Alright, I got the bolts in. You guys didn't miss a whole lot. I'll put this on, I'll go grab a battery and a long shot, but we'll see if it did anything. I don't think it will until I bleed everything, but it's worth a try. I don't have anything else to do right now besides get ready to go to work. Go away. Pliers quick. Not really good pliers for this, but or not. What? Go away. Busy here, calico shit. You're doing the camera there, putz. Get out of there. Oh shit. I should just cut this fucker off. Got enough for you? Yeah, we can cut it off. Go away! It's getting colder out. Yeah, that's good. Very nice. Black the whole time. It's just something stupid like this plastic piece. We'll put that stupid crank back on. Let's see what good them things do in this review anyway. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a battery quick, and we'll see what we can get it to do. Alright, got the battery. I'm not gonna put it on real good just because I just want to start it to see if it'll do anything. Just need enough juice to make it turn over. We'll turn the key and pump it a few times. Need more gas. Something melted. Next time I'll do a video about replacing ignition switches. Hasn't been started for a while, maybe it's gotta get